Picture this: space travel, not just a privilege for a few but a reality for many, all within the next 200 years. Imagine a time when hopping on a spaceship to Mars is as commonplace as boarding a flight to New York. That's the potential future we're talking about here. A future shaped by advancements in technology and a deepening understanding of the universe. Not long ago, space travel was but a dream, a captivating idea confined within the pages of science fiction novels. It was something that stirred the imagination of many, but seemed nearly unattainable. Fast forward to today, and space travel has evolved from a dream to a reality, a testament to human ingenuity and an embodiment of our innate curiosity. The journey from the launch of the first satellite, Sputnik, in the mid-20th century, to landing humans on the moon, to the present-day explorations of Mars and beyond, has been nothing short of extraordinary. Each milestone in our spacefaring journey has not only expanded our knowledge of the cosmos, but has also pushed the boundaries of what we deem possible. As we move forward, the next 200 years hold an even more exciting prospect. We're no longer just talking about landing humans on distant planets or exploring the far reaches of our solar system. We're talking about making space travel accessible to the masses, about establishing human colonies on other planets, about harnessing the resources of the cosmos for the betterment of life here on Earth. Imagine the technological innovations needed to make this possible. Envision the breakthroughs in propulsion systems, the advancements in life support technologies, the evolution in our understanding of space and time. It's an exciting, albeit challenging, path that lies ahead. But the beauty of it all? We're on the cusp of this new era. We're at the precipice of a future where space travel is not just the domain of trained astronauts or the wealthy, but a reality for many. The future of space travel holds immense possibilities that are bound to change our lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. As we gaze into the future, a key question arises: how will we propel ourselves through the vast expanses of space? To answer this, we must delve into the exciting world of advanced propulsion systems. Today we'll explore the possibilities that could redefine space travel over the next 2 centuries. First up is ion propulsion, a concept that is already in use today, albeit in its infancy. Instead of burning fuel, ion propulsion involves firing out charged particles, or ions, to create thrust. This system is incredibly efficient, consuming far less fuel than conventional rockets. And while the thrust is gentle, over time, spacecraft can reach incredibly high speeds. Imagine, if you will, spacecraft gliding through space on a stream of ions, much like a boat sailing on a sea of light. But what if we could harness the power of an atom? That's the premise behind nuclear propulsion. By using nuclear reactions to heat a propellant, we could achieve much greater speeds than with chemical propulsion. The concept isn't new. In fact, it was considered during the Apollo era. But with modern advancements, this powerful form of propulsion is seeing a resurgence in interest. Imagine spacecrafts propelled by the sheer power of nuclear energy, hurtling through the cosmos at breathtaking speeds. Finally, let's venture into the realm of the theoretical: warp drives and wormholes. While these concepts may seem like they've been pulled straight from a science fiction novel, they're actually grounded in the complex field of theoretical physics. Warp drives would manipulate space-time to allow for faster-than-light travel, while wormholes could potentially create shortcuts through space. Imagine stepping through a portal and emerging light years away in an instant. We stand at the precipice of a new era, an era where the laws of physics are not barriers but gateways to infinite possibilities. The future of propulsion is a thrilling prospect filled with ideas that push the boundaries of what we currently understand. With such advancements, our journey through the cosmos will not just be faster, but also more efficient and sustainable. What do the brightest minds in engineering and physics foresee for the future of space travel? Let's delve into the minds of some of the most renowned scientists, engineers, and futurists. Their theories and predictions about the future of space travel and propulsion systems are nothing short of fascinating. Dr. Kip Thorne, a theoretical physicist and Nobel laureate, posits that wormholes might be the key to interstellar travel. These cosmic shortcuts could potentially allow us to traverse vast distances of space in the blink of an eye. However, the challenge lies in keeping these wormholes stable, which would require a form of negative energy yet to be discovered. On the engineering front, Robert Zubrin, an aerospace engineer and advocate for Mars colonization, believes in the potential of nuclear propulsion. He suggests that nuclear thermal rockets, which use nuclear reactions to heat and expel propellant, could shorten the travel time to Mars from 6 months to just 6 weeks. Meanwhile, futurist Dr. Michio Kaku envisions a future where we harness the power of antimatter, the most energy-dense material in the universe. He theorizes that antimatter propulsion could enable us to reach nearby star systems within a human lifetime. However, the challenge of safely storing and manipulating antimatter remains. And let's not forget the proponents of light sail technology, like physicist and science fiction author Dr. Robert L. Forward. He proposed using powerful lasers to propel ultra-thin light sails, potentially reaching significant fractions of the speed of light. These are just a few of the many predictions and theories out there. Each of them holds its own set of challenges and opportunities. Some may seem like they're straight out of science fiction, but remember, so did the idea of landing a man on the moon once upon a time. These expert insights give us a glimpse into a future that is as thrilling as it is daunting. And as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, who knows where the future of space travel might take us? But what about you? Our curious and visionary viewers, what do you imagine when you think of the future of space travel? You're a savvy bunch, so let's dive into some of the most intriguing and thought-provoking predictions you've shared about the future of space travel and propulsion systems. There's a sense of optimism among many of you. Some envision a future where humanity has mastered the art of harnessing energy directly from stars. Imagine spacecraft powered by miniature artificial suns capable of propelling us to the farthest corners of the cosmos. Sounds like something straight out of a science fiction novel, doesn't it? But remember, today's science fiction often becomes tomorrow's reality. Yet not everyone shares this optimistic outlook. There's a group of skeptics among us who caution about the potential pitfalls of such advanced technology. They remind us that with great power comes great responsibility. Any technology capable of propelling us to the stars could also be potentially destructive if misused. A sobering thought, but one that's equally important to consider. Then there are those who dream of a more organic approach to space travel. They foresee a future where we've developed the ability to genetically modify humans to survive in the harsh conditions of space. No need for bulky suits or life support systems. Instead, we would become one with the cosmos, living and breathing among the stars. And let's not forget the pragmatists among us. They argue that the future of space travel lies not in groundbreaking technology or genetic modifications, but in international cooperation. Only by pooling our resources, knowledge, and skills can we hope to conquer the final frontier. Whether you're an optimist, a skeptic, a dreamer, or a pragmatist, your predictions reflect the diversity and complexity of the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead in our journey through the cosmos. Your visions of the future are as diverse and exciting as the cosmos itself. In the grand scheme of things, our journey into space has only just begun. We are voyagers on the cusp of a new era, standing on the precipice of a vast, unexplored frontier. Our understanding of the cosmos, once confined to the realm of speculation and science fiction, is now being shaped and reshaped by the hands of those bold enough to dream and daring enough to venture into the unknown. The advancements in propulsion systems we've discussed today are not mere science fiction. They're the stepping stones to a future that is rapidly unfolding before our eyes. With technologies like nuclear propulsion and ion drives, we're pushing the boundaries of what's possible, crafting vessels that will take us farther and faster than we ever thought possible. The potential of space travel is limitless, just as the universe itself. We've barely scratched the surface of what's out there, and every new discovery brings us one step closer to understanding our place in this grand cosmic tapestry. But it's not just about the technology. It's about the spirit of exploration that lives within each and every one of us. It's about the insatiable curiosity that drives us to ask the big questions, to seek out the unknown, to strive for a future that stretches beyond the horizon of our current understanding. So as we continue our journey, let's remember to stay curious. Let's keep dreaming, keep asking questions, keep pushing the boundaries. Let's continue to explore the endless possibilities that the universe has to offer. Because the future of space travel isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the journey itself, about the stories we'll tell and the discoveries we'll make along the way. It's about the shared human experience of reaching for the stars and finding something greater within ourselves. So, what do you think lies ahead in our cosmic journey? Share your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. Remember, the future of space travel is a story that we are all writing together.
Fascinating, but quite impossible.